Hi guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M04 and let me show you how to turn on night shield here. At first enroll the list of all apps and go to the settings. Then find and select display. And here you will notice Eye Comfort Shield. Click here to activate it. And that's it. As you can see, from now on it is active, and by using this scale you can change the temperature however you like. Then you can also set some schedule, so it's going to be from sunset to sunrise or at custom hours. So if you'll tap at custom, you can smoothly, manually change the hours between which it is active. Then to turn it off, just unmark the switcher. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.